And today all eyes will be on the Bombay High Court that will be hearing Shah Rukh Khan's son's bail plea in the cruise drug bust case. Aryan's bail petition will be heard by a single bench of Justice N.W. Sambre. Aryan Khan's legal team had approached the High Court after the Mumbai Sessions Court had rejected his bail plea. Mukul Rohatgi has now been roped in by Shah Rukh Khan to represent his son Aryan in the Bombay High Court. Aryan on his part maintains that he hasn't committed any crime and in his bail plea termed NCB's case against him as entirely based on inadmissible voluntary statements and WhatsApp chats. The prosecution will be filing their affidavit in reply to Aryan's bail plea, wherein the agency again will vehemently oppose bail to SRK's son. The NCB on its part maintains that Aryan Khan is a key link in this entire drug bust, and if granted bail, according to them, he can tamper with evidence. The anti-drug agency will be seeking an extension of judicial custody of Aryan, and as part of its reply in court, will be citing the Sessions Court ruling as well. Aryan Khan has been in Mumbai's Arthur Road jail since October 8th, so it's been 19 days now, and he'll remain there in jail till there's any relief that really comes in. What can happen today, considering that the Bombay High Court is hearing Aryan Khan's bail plea? Here are four possibilities. The first possibility is that Aryan is denied bail, in which case he stays in the Arthur Road jail, and also that Wankhede continues to head the investigation as he is right now if he's given the clean sheet. Aryan Khan gets bail and Wankhede continues to head the investigation and Wankhede is still given a clean sheet. Possibility 3 is that Aryan is denied bail, again remains in the Arthur Road jail, but there's also a setback for Samir Wankhede. He's removed from the investigation based on the probe by the NCB into allegations of extortion. There is also another possibility that Aryan Khan is granted bail and that Wankhede is removed from the investigation, in which case someone else will take over the probe and there's relief for Aryan. Mustafa Sheikh is joining us live from Mumbai with the latest updates on this. Mustafa, any update from the Bombay High Court as to exactly when Aryan's bail plea will be heard today?
Well, the matter is listed in Bombay High Court, and we can't really say actually how much time it will take for first case. The matter has been listed at 57 number, so we'll have to wait and see whether it almost comes during the time before lunch or after post lunch when this case comes up for hearing. And interestingly, what really happens in the hearing, because the NCB is said to be saying that all that is happening to influence this probe will be mentioned in the High Court, that it was mentioned in the Sessions Court. Whether they file a reply opposing Aryan Khan's bail, what are the grounds to do it? Mukul Rohatgi is supposed to argue for Aryan Khan, whether the arguments start today and finish today itself so that the judge can pronounce order by today or tomorrow. So these are things which are still at ifs and buts. We'll have to wait and see at what time the hearing comes up. But yes, as you said, that it's a crucial hearing for Aryan Khan because the Diwali vacations are approaching. If he starts the arguments and the case goes on for a few more days, then it will be likely that he will only come out of jail post Diwali. But if the arguments are finished and the case order comes in, then there is a likelihood that he might get bail on these on the grounds which have been mentioned. At the same time, we'll have to see whether NCB has found out some new evidence in this entire case to be mentioned before the High Court. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa, thank you for those details. Now, time is of the essence for Aryan Khan, and here's why. There's a big question mark on whether Aryan will spend Diwali in Mannat or at the Arthur Road jail. That will depend on the Bombay High Court ruling. But time is of the essence because the festive season is round the corner and Aryan's legal team has an uphill task. The Bombay High Court will hear Aryan's bail plea beginning today, and the court will be working only for the next 3 days till October 29th, that is Friday. After that, October 30th and 31st, the court will be closed owing to it being the weekend, and from November 1st all the way up to November 5th, the court will be closed for Diwali break. So the whole of next week is ruled out, and then you have 6th and 7th weekend again, so the court will be closed. If Aryan doesn't get relief in the next 4 days, it means that he'll spend nearly 1 month in jail altogether, because he's not going to get relief the whole of next week because of Diwali break. So next 3 days, they'll be hoping that they can go ahead and secure relief for him. Earlier, we spoke to Somi Ali, an actor, and asked her if she thought that Aryan Khan is being victimized because he's SRK's son. Here's what she said.
Absolutely. I think he's solely being targeted because of Shah Rukh and Gauri. Absolutely. I mean, I think that they're trying to prove a point that just because he's a Bollywood actor's son and he's a celebrity that, you know, we can still take action against him. He should have been out of jail a long time ago. He should have been released on bond or bail. This is preposterous. I, again, reiterate, this is ridiculous. I mean, this kid, what kids or young adults don't experiment with drugs? I did it when I was 15. I did it again with Divya on the sets of Andolan. I don't indulge in drugs. It's not something that is for me. But again, what kid doesn't do it? Why not free the law enforcement to focus on murders and rapes of young girls, men and women, even young boys that are sodomized? Why don't free the law enforcement to do real work, as opposed to putting innocent kids in prison that have done nothing? And we don't even know what happened. We don't know what took place. We have no evidence. There's an ongoing investigation. The kid is not allowed to be released on bail. It's just to prove a point. Absolutely. I think every actor should come out and show support for Aryan, because again, what kid has not experimented with drugs? And we don't even know if he did anything. Even if